Hello everyone, welcome to Brownware Animation, and in this video we are going to cover the full process of this pig character sculpting. Some boring parts are in time-lapse, and if you are a complete beginner you can check out Brownware Animation comic blogs about navigation in Zbrush. The links are in the description and also in the community section of this channel. Now for those who know how to navigate, then they can start sculpting the character or watch the full process in just few minutes. Hopefully it will help you too. Please make sure to comment your reviews and queries in the comment section after watching the video. You can like the video and subscribe to Brown Bear Animation channel. Let's sculpt this pig character now. Hide the light box by going on to the hide button or comma key. Then simple brush icon, choose a sphere and drag it on the canvas. T button for edit mode, basic material. Then activate the symmetry by X key and make it a polymesh 3D. Then append a cylinder for the body of the pig. Then merge both the subtools with going on to the merge down button. Then again Dynamesh it. Then with move brush and smooth brush, edit the whole shape. Then append a cylinder again for the nose. Then with move brush you can edit the nose shape. Then append a cylinder for the legs and duplicate it by going on to the subtool master and mirror option. Then with duplicate key you can get a different pair of legs and move it backward. Then with move brush I am editing the whole shape again. With clay buildup brush, hold Alt on the keyboard for Z sub sculpting and just apply the Dynamesh by holding Ctrl key and dragging on the empty area of the canvas. Then I have Dynamesh the nose part and the body part together. Then with clay buildup brush I am creating the nose holes. Then adding and subtracting some parts and editing the shape, overall form of the pig. Then created a mask using Control key on the keyboard. Then applied Dynamesh. Then I'm appending a sphere for the eyeballs and adjusting it using Gizmo, and same mirror by going on to the Z plugin, subtool master and mirror. Then with damp standard brush I have created the lips, and with move brush I am adjusting the eyebrows. I have merged both the pair of legs, and with Dynamesh applying with the Dynamesh I am changing the overall shape. get this kind of shape. Then we will move it like this, and until the dotted line is turned on, you can edit the shape. So here I am editing the shape for my requirement. It should be a coiled tail. Then after that you can just hold Alt and click on the mesh. That dotted line will get removed. Then you can apply Dynamesh and you can split the tail mesh with the body mesh by going on to the split option. Then I'm editing the position and scale of the tail, and with clay builder brush I'm adding shapes and adding different details which I think are necessary at this point of time. Damp standard brush for creating these kinds of creases around eyes, nose and lips. It's always helpful in these kinds of situation. Then hold Ctrl and choose mask lasso for creating a mask for the helmet. Similarly, you can also choose mask pen by holding Ctrl and selecting the mask pen and create a mask. Then we will extract this mask for the helmet by going on to the extract option. Then adjust the smooth slider and thickness slider, then click on extract and accept if you feel like you want this shape. Then if you get something which you don't need, then just go to the mask brush again and select mask lasso and create a mask for the unwanted shape. Then go to split mask point and split that part and delete that part simply. Then turn on Dynamesh onto the helmet and with trim dynamic brush adjust the shape as you want, like I'm polishing the edges. And I'm appending a cylinder for the crown kind of shape. A cube also, adjusted it using move brush and gizmo. Then creating a mask and removing a mask with Ctrl and Alt. Then sharpening the mask with sharpen mask button and with W, or you can select the gizmo and move it inside and scale it. Now this part is important. Create a mask like this, then invert the mask, then Ctrl W for creating a polygroup, Ctrl Shift for separating a polygroup, and for polyframe you can click that button. Then duplicate the subtool and separate it, then split it, then delete the splitted part. Then Z model brush and hover over a plane and spacebar, delete and delete the face. Similarly, remesh it 2-3 times, then hover over a plane, then spacebar, then extrude and polygroup all, then extrude the mesh. Similarly, hover over a edge and insert edges around the subtool. Then with move brush and Dynamesh turned on, I am editing the whole shape. If you have any doubts in the steps, let me know in the comment section. You can adjust the gizmo by holding Alt and rotating it. Then with move brush, trim dynamic brush and smooth brush, I am adjusting the overall shape of this part. Then with damp standard brush, I am choosing a alpha 58 for creating these kinds of shapes. And with the Dynamesh resolution turned up, I have changed the alpha again for creating different shapes. And with move brush, I am closing the eyes and with the masking trick. Mask one part, then move other part. Then these are some final adjustment which I am doing right now. Eyebrows with mask, hold Ctrl and create a mask, then extract the eyebrows and adjust it using move brush and trim dynamic brush. Then pinch brush for pinching the surface, adjusting the ear shape with move brush. Some final adjustment to the ears and to the eyes. Then with pinch brush, I am closing the eyes even more, and with damp standard brush, I am creating these kinds of creases for some detailing. And with all this, our pig model is almost complete. This time I have gone ahead and remeshed the model and applied some polypaint and exported it all from Zbrush, then imported it into Marmoset and also added some lights and tweaked some shader values and rendered out a turntable. Hope you got something valuable out of this video, and feel free to ask any doubt in the comment section. If you like the video, then give this video a thumbs up and also support the channel by just clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the full video. Stay tuned for the future videos.